Hello, welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Today I've got something new that I haven't tried before. It's called jackfruit. Now, it was on my to-get list, later down the line. Everybody always talking about some jackfruit, and I was like, what, I'll try it out, I was thinking about getting it later on or something. The ones in a can, I was told it was in a can, and you can get it either in water or you can get it in brine. So I was in the grocery store today. I wasn't even looking for it, so I was just in the frozen section, and I happened to see some jackfruit, but it wasn't the way, like the ones that I was looking for, the ones in a can, the one that I was going to buy later on. These ones are already pre-made in some sauces, so I was like, you know what? Even though I wasn't looking for it, I was going to try it on later on, so I was like, well, I might as well do it now, because it was on the plan of stuff to try. I got several ones. There's 3 different kinds that I saw. There's the barbecue jackfruit, there's the curry jackfruit, and sesame ginger jackfruit. I like that one. The other 2 I wasn't crazy about. Jackfruit, it's like a big fruit. I don't even know what to explain myself. This is gonna be my first time, and it doesn't taste bad. It has a meaty texture to it. A lot of people say it's like pork. I don't know. I don't eat pork, I don't eat meat. And even when I did eat meat, I didn't eat pork really. So yeah, it's not bad at all. It's a nice substitute if you don't want to do the soy or tofu or any of that other stuff. Here's what it looks like. See how it's shredded like this? And it absorbs flavor really good. I mean, this one is the sesame ginger jackfruit. And just like the picture says here, or shows, you can eat it with rice, or you can eat it as a sandwich. This is the barbecue one. I'm not crazy about this. It's the sauce. I mean, it'll be good in barbecue sauce, but this barbecue sauce don't taste too good to me. And neither does this curry one here. It's not really like the curry sauce that I like in it. I like curry, and it'll be good. Like this jackfruit thing, I'm still gonna find the one in the can so I can make my own sauce mix. But yeah, I do like this one right here. And I'm gonna make some rice noodles later. If you don't know how to make these, you just soak them in some hot water for about, I don't remember, I haven't done it in a while. I think about 15 to 30 minutes or so in hot water, so it'll be nice and soft. You don't boil it, so then you stir fry it, I had made it when I used to eat pad thai with egg noodles. That was like over a year ago. But yeah, I might make it with some rice or some basmati rice, or I might even just make it with some spaghetti, I'm going to hook it up with this one right here, or I might eat this one by itself. Quite tasty. Yeah, it comes in this little pouch, silver pouch right here, inside of the box. And yeah, it might not be in your grocery store because it's not in my my normal grocery stores, like several grocery stores. Some is outside in another city, but they're all within the circle around Trenton. So yeah, yeah, it's pretty good. I'll try it again. Alright, stay tuned for more recipes and different things with Plush2x Vegan Kitchen. Peace. Mwah. Check out my Plush2x bracelet. I got this done at a carnival last month at Mercer County. It's pretty nice. Peace. Have a nice day.